Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Please subscribe and keep watching more details. Attorney provides update on Jayne's legal issues. Walls keep closing. Things have been challenging for Jayne. The Real Housewives of Beverly Hills star is living in limbo. She is still trying to remove herself from the civil lawsuits against her. However, attorney Ronald Richards just gave an update on her legal issues. According to him, she is running out of options and the walls were literally closing in. Erika's disgraced attorney husband, Tom Girardi, was found guilty and sentenced to 7 years and 3 months in prison for embezzling millions of dollars from former clients. He was also ordered to pay millions in restitution to victims and fines. Now that Tom's case has wrapped up after years of psychological testing and health issues, it looks like Erika might now also be facing legal repercussions. She is being accused of using over $25 million from Tom's law firm's operating account. The money was used to pay for expenses for EJ Global, a company formed for Erika's entertainment career. For her part, Erika has said she did not know about Tom's business dealings. According to her, she did not know where the money was coming from. But Ronald Richards and his legal team are seeking financial justice. They are looking to make the reality TV star pay back the money. The next step could mean that Erika would head to a jury trial. Attorney Ronald shared the following updates on his X post. Jayne's spouse that she abandoned is on his way to a de facto almost life sentence. Meanwhile, the judge in the $25 million fraudulent conveyance action, we filed wants additional briefing on how to try this case. Erika's defense is the money went to her personal service company EJ Global. This defense is definitely a loser, so her best shot is to keep delaying. Money is tight for her now, and she hates paying her own legal bills. Walls keep closing. For now, Erika is keeping mum. However, she's not going to be able to keep silent for long with a potential $1 million trial on the horizon. If ever, it looks like her RHOBH Season 15 storyline is set. The Real Housewives of Beverly Hills is available to stream on Peacock and Hayu in the UK and Ireland. In the ever-unfolding drama that has blurred the lines between courtroom chaos and Hollywood spectacle, Jayne, glamorous star of The Real Housewives of Beverly Hills, finds herself at the center of a legal saga that refuses to fade into the background. Once synonymous with sequins, stilettos, and high-octane performances, Jayne's name is now just as likely to appear in court dockets as in entertainment headlines. This week, her attorney issued a sobering update that suggests the pop diva's legal troubles may only be deepening. As he put it, the walls keep closing. The phrase landed like a gavel slam in the press, offering a glimpse into the mounting pressure Erika faces. It was never just about her extravagant lifestyle or the theatrics of reality TV. It was about the money, millions of dollars allegedly funneled from victims of tragedy and deposited into a life of luxury. And as investigators dig deeper into the financial rubble left behind by her estranged husband, famed and now disgraced attorney Tom Girardi, the web around Jayne tightens. The legal landscape shifts again. This latest update from her legal team marks a turning point. We are seeing increased cooperation between multiple jurisdictions, new subpoenas issued, and a narrowing focus on Erika's personal knowledge of Tom Girardi's finances, said her attorney, who spoke on condition of anonymity due to the ongoing litigation. At the heart of the case lies Girardi Keys, the law firm once run by Girardi, who is accused of embezzling settlement funds meant for vulnerable clients, widows, orphans, burn victims. Some of those funds allegedly went to bankroll Erika's career and lavish lifestyle. Private jets, million-dollar costumes, and a glam squad on retainer were all part of the Jayne mystique. But with investigators tracing every cent, that sparkle has dulled legal saga surrounding reality TV star Jayne, known for her role on The Real Housewives of Beverly Hills, continues to unfold with increasingly intense pressure. In a recent statement, her attorney delivered a sobering update on her ongoing legal troubles, painting a picture of tightening scrutiny and looming consequences. "The walls keep closing in," said the attorney, using a phrase that resonated like a warning bell rather than a casual metaphor. For Erika Jayne, born Erika Girardi, the sentiment captures the relentless momentum of legal challenges that began several years ago and show little sign of slowing. Once known for her glamorous stage persona and unapologetic extravagance, Erika has spent recent years under a spotlight of a very different kind. Her entanglement in the bankruptcy proceedings of her estranged husband, disgraced former attorney Tom Girardi, has thrust her into a whirlwind of court filings, public criticism, and financial inquiries. At the heart of the controversy is the allegation that funds meant for victims of tragic accidents, such as plane crashes and medical malpractice, were misappropriated by Tom Girardi's now-defunct law firm Girardi Keys. Prosecutors and plaintiffs' attorneys have argued that the ill-gotten gains financed a life of excess for the couple, including Erika's pop career, designer wardrobe, and their once lavish Pasadena estate. Though Erika has repeatedly denied any knowledge of wrongdoing, asserting she was kept in the dark about her husband's business affairs, her connection to the money has made her a central figure in the public and legal reckoning of the Girardi empire. Her attorney's latest statement reflects the growing challenges Erika faces, even as some legal victories have occasionally offered momentary relief. While she has been cleared of some claims in the past, we can't ignore that new lawsuits and subpoenas continue to be filed, the attorney explained. This is a long road, and we are far from the end. Indeed, one of the most pressing developments involves a renewed focus on tracing the financial pathways from Girardi Keys to Erika's company, EJ Global. Court documents allege that millions of dollars flowed into the business, which funded Erika's music videos, concerts, and appearances. Trustees in the bankruptcy case have insisted that the funds were improperly transferred and should be returned to help repay victims. Her legal team argues otherwise. Erika didn't control the accounts at Girardi Keys. She had no access. And yet she's being treated like she masterminded this entire scheme, her lawyer said. "We are fighting back against these assumptions, but the process is slow and invasive. That process includes financial audits, forensic accounting, and hours of depositions." Erika has reportedly spent millions defending herself and is fighting not only for her public reputation but for her livelihood. In a world where perception is currency, the legal cloud has already cost her roles, sponsorships, and lucrative opportunities. Fans of The Real Housewives of Beverly Hills have watched much of this play out on screen. Erika's appearances in recent seasons have been marked by teary confessions, tense confrontations, and a palpable mix of vulnerability and defensiveness. "This is my life," she declared in one episode, her voice cracking under the weight of both real and perceived judgment. "And it's not as fabulous as it used to be." In recent weeks, the scrutiny has intensified due to a new civil suit filed by an airline crash victim's family, naming Erika as a defendant. The suit claims that she knowingly benefited from stolen settlement money. While no criminal charges have been brought against Erika personally, the threat of such actions still looms, according to legal experts. There's no criminal case against her at this time, but that doesn't mean prosecutors aren't watching carefully, said former federal prosecutor Helen Kim. If new evidence surfaces linking her more directly to fraudulent activity, that could change very quickly. For Erika, every new development is another piece of a puzzle she insists she never agreed to build. Her recent attempts to reboot her public image, with a Las Vegas residency and appearances on other reality TV projects, have been met with mixed reactions. Some admire her resilience, others see it as tone-deaf opportunism. Still, the statement from her attorney underscores that the legal pressure is real, not just a storyline. "We're cooperating fully, But it often feels like we're chasing shadows, he said. It's like trying to dismantle a bomb while blindfolded.